Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO Y97 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and let's enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now another code, which is *##. 225 *##. And here we are in the calendar information, so we can check the events gathered in one place, we can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and another code, which is *##426 *##. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host port, time connected, or sign-in level. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it and tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and the last code for today's video, which is *##4636 ###. And thanks to this code, we can enter engineering test, where we've got the battery capacity test. We can tap on it, and as you can see, we've got the battery information. So for example, the temperature, we can check, we can enter this section, especially if we feel that the battery is really hot, abnormally hot. We've got the battery type, battery information, so the exact percentage. You can also check it if you feel that something's wrong with displaying the percentage on the status bar, for example. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.